Majestic, mystical, captivating. Seeing the Northern Lights for the first time left me speechless. And the journey there was equally as memorable. Just two Americans who had met only a month ago, all starting out in Copenhagen, Denmark, then making a quick transfer in Stockholm for the night, then transferring to another train to our final stop, Kiruna, Sweden, all 20 hours later. Days in northern Sweden, we headed up further north, where we were greeted with the beauty of Mother Nature both during the day and at night. Now, 200 kilometers north of the Arctic Circle, this is Abisko. Part of my slow travel goal for my time in Europe. That means trying to minimize emissions from transportation, staying in hostels, learning about local culture, and supporting local businesses. These aspects combined with the patience and luck required to see the Northern Lights made me be able to appreciate every moment of it all, doing less to experience more.